Landsdale, Western Australia. Landsdale is a northern suburb of Perth, Western Australia, located within the local government area of the City of Wanneroo. It is mixed use, with residential, commercial, and light manufacturing areas. History. In the late 1990s, Landsdale began to develop from market gardens and small rural lots into residential development. Until 1997-1998, prior to the separation by the City of Wanneroo of the suburbs of Darch and Madeley, Landsdale enclosed a much larger area extending westwards to Wanneroo Road. Facilities. The main commercial precinct is known as Landsdale Gardens and includes most of the facilities of the area, such as a small medical complex, the Warradale Centre named after Warradale Park, parks and reserves, lakes, walking trails, Landsdale Forum Shopping Centre, as well as two schools, Landsdale Primary School, which was built in 1998, and the Warradale Centre, named after nearby Warradale Park on Southmead Drive, is used for community events and includes a club room and change rooms as well as a canteen, parking, and toilet facilities. It is used for local sporting clubs including the Kingsway Rockets Football Club, the Landsdale Lions Junior and Senior Cricket Club, as well as a small T-ball club. Landsdale also has an ambulance station located on the corner of Alexander Drive and Nangara Road. The Perth International Telecommunications Centre is located in the eastern end of Landsdale. Transport. Landsdale is serviced by 3 Transperth bus routes, operated by Path Transit and Swan Transit, Route 376 from Mirrabooka Bus Station and to Whitford's Railway Station, and the 450 to Warwick Railway Station, allowing Landsdale residents to connect by train to Perth's Central Business District, and the 355 references